Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful and creative patchwork designing. These patches will really give an unique look which you can try for overall designing on blouses, sarees designing or dress designing. So let's quickly start this work. If you know how to create it, we can design any types of garments, isn't it? I'll be sticking flowering and in between rhinestone also I'll be sticking. Next to that, these are antique Zardosi strings which is of small size, which I cut in 1 centimeter length. This is to create the flower shape all around this flower ring. So here I'll be creating the petal shape. This is how it looks. The size is very small. These are tiny patches which will really leaves an elegant look, and you can try this with the customized sizes as per your requirement. Materials which I have used for this designing is easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box. At this tip also we have to give the stitch so that it will be in place. Like this I'll be stitching 8 petals followed with the flower ring. And now I'd be extending further. For that I'd be using pink colored dolly thread. Also you can use anchor threads with the sequence of medium size, and this is how here I'd be using 6 strands of anchor thread. You can try with any types of threads, and this is how we have to insert the needle in the center of the sequence like this, and the stitch would be continued in this way. Like so we'll stitch 8 sequence with this anchor thread. Use the anchor threads as per your garments matching, which will really gives the stylish stunning appeal. And I'm almost at the end of this designer patch creating, and you can use any scissors to cut this patch, but instead of that also we can use the doop stick and burn at the corners like this. It will make your work easy, and the threads of the fabrics will not come easily and will really gets the nicer look. And this is how it looks once completed. You can directly apply the glue to stick these patches, or else you can give the stitch if you want to secure for long run. You can try this type of designer patches for any types of garment designing. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.